Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping sales using Yahoo beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your dropshipping sales using Yahoo, start by setting up a Yahoo small business account. This will provide you with the tools needed to create an effective online presence. Next, research your target audience to identify their interests and buying behaviors. Utilize Yahoo's keyword planner to find relevant search terms related to your products. These keywords will help optimize your listings and drive more traffic to your store. Once you have your keywords, create compelling product descriptions that incorporate them naturally. Ensure your titles are clear, catchy, and include the primary keywords. Next, focus on high-quality images for your product listings. Images play a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Now, set competitive prices for your products to enhance their appeal. Analyze competitor pricing and make adjustments accordingly. After optimizing your store, consider using Yahoo's advertising platform. Creating targeted ads can significantly boost your visibility in search results. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly to assess their effectiveness. Test different ad formats and adjust your strategy based on data insights. Incorporate email marketing into your strategy by collecting email addresses from potential customers. This allows you to send promotions and product updates directly to interested buyers. Use Yahoo's analytics tools to track your store's performance and customer behaviors. Identifying popular products will help you stock more of what your customers want. Lastly, provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat purchases. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve issues efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to scaling your dropshipping sales with Yahoo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.